less than a week away from the 4th of July.
And we have top grilling accessories to help make your dishes delicious. Skip BEDELL is back with more, and look at this. I've never seen this before.
It is like official barbecue scene.
So
You're going to cook
cool.
out for 4th of July. So this is a Napoleon Prestige. Look at this thing. It's amazing.
I've never seen that basket.
Yeah, it even has the basket for the rotisserie. So this is a really high-end, beautiful grill. And what's nice right now on BBQGuys.com, there's a 10% off everything Napoleon flash sale, which you never see that. So it's a great time to get one of these. As you can see, super high quality stainless. This is a great grill all around. Multiple burners. You have a side searer. The searers are great.
On the side, that's a great idea, rather than in the back.
Yep.
And the rotisserie, you don't see
lights inside, which is nice for cooking at night. This is a great unit.
You just think rotisserie, you think chicken. You don't realize you can put your
I got one of those over there. Yeah, come here, check this out.
And
look at this. So this is Blaze. This is their signature BBQGuys Island. It comes with real granite, powder-coated metal, all top-quality stainless steel. And as you can see, the Blaze pizza stone right here allows you to cook a pizza right on the grill.
Don't let the mayor see this.
I know, right? That's right. They're shutting down pizza places. Come on, bud. This is propane. So
real granite.
Yeah, this is real granite. It's a beautiful setup, and it comes with this commercial-grade stainless steel outdoor radius, so you can leave this refrigerator out all year long.
Fantastic.
Yeah, this is a great setup, guys. Next, I want to show you this Lakeview 5-piece set. Look at how beautiful this set is. This is
what a job he's got.
This is powder-coated aluminum frames, which means it's going to hold up to the weather all year long. Carl's over there roasting hot dogs on the 50-inch fire pit. Come on.
He has the best seat in the house, doesn't he?
This comes as a 5-piece set, just like you see it. And I love that they think of something to cover up the barbecue tank over there. You see that runs the fire pit? Yep.
It looks like an occasional table.
So these are great. You can use it as a coffee table as well, too. You put your drinks on it.
And it's propane, so there's no mess with wood and smoke and things like that.
Just don't melt your cocktail.
Yeah.
Okay, my number one thing.
I know this is your favorite, Steve. I'm gonna make you over easy here, Steve. Okay. So this is the Victory Griddle. This thing is great. It's got 4 burners on it. It's propane, which is really nice. It allows you to use it in multiple settings. And this is great for doing breakfast, pancakes, bacon and eggs. You can do smash burgers. You can really cook anything on this.
It's easy to clean.
Oh, it's super easy to clean.
It's just one thing. It seems more efficient than a grill. And we've always had grills, but I'm leaning towards
You know what? The griddles right
too.
now are hot, man. They are trending. Everybody wants a griddle. You can't go wrong with that, right? I mean, look at it.
Feel like you've got a diner in your backyard.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
Here's another rotisserie.
So last, guys, this is the Blaze. This is their signature line, the Blaze Premium. So this is a 40-inch grill. As you can see, this thing's a monster. It's got 5 different burners on it. It has a searer. It has a rear searing infrared unit.
Holy cow.
And as you can see, the built-in rotisserie. So right now, we got the chicken roasting on there right now, which everybody loves their rotisserie chicken. This is a great grill. Again, very high quality, very commercial grade stainless steel. It's got storage drawers underneath. So really nice from Blaze. This is their premium line. And as you can see, even the stainless steel on the grates themselves. So good stuff.
Word to the wise, and that is, make sure you've got plenty of propane before the 4th of July.
I'm telling you, because everybody's out the weekend of. Go get your tanks filled up now.
Liquor and propane.
Yeah.
They're both gas.
That's right.
All right, more